Okay, so hi everyone. Today we are going to be colouring in this page here from my book, Colouring Botanical Blooms, Bouquets and Mandalas. And this is the beautiful cosmos flower. So for this flower, I've chosen just the following colours here. The cosmos flower comes in lots and lots of different colours, but I wanted to keep it kind of like a pinky fuchsia colour and a little bit of mauve here, and then the centres are going to be yellow as well. So again, the cosmos flower can have kind of like different markings. There's one here that has kind of like a different markings going on, and there's actually this is a different version of the cosmos flower here. I think this one's called Lemonade Cosmos or something, which is a great name. And that has some different markings as well. So I'm simply going to colour these. Here we've got some gorgeous shading going on that's already in the book. So, you know, you could even go over with a white or a gold pen or something. So I think I might do that later on. We'll see how we get on. I have one of my botanical mandalas here as a bit of inspiration just for the colours. And we're going to get going. So I think I am going to choose maybe this. You can see this is the one I like to use the most. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And I think I'm going to just copy what I've got going on here for this first flower, perhaps. So go quite dark in the centre. I might do a little bit of blending in this video. I might kind of blend this dark pink and this reddy pink together. It might be quite nice. I might actually try that in a moment. But I may just turn this video into like a bit of a speed colouring video where I just, it's not too much instruction. You can just enjoy watching me colour and then colour in your own gorgeous cosmos page. So we'll lay this colour down first. Maybe I will try a little bit of blending. I kind of feel like I want to change the colour slightly. So I'm not creating any shading or any gradient. I'm literally just doing kind of like 100% kind of straight blending over every area that I've already coloured in. Just to change the colour slightly, be able to see it slightly different. And what we can do, we can kind of just lightly shade. I might even blend with the yellow actually as well. That might be nice because you can create this gorgeous kind of like orangey, creamy, ice creamy kind of colour. I've done that before with my colouring. Try the yellow. Might be nice to have something slightly different on the outside. so I thought I might just do something a little bit different. I've got this little, this is from Staedtler as well, actually. It's a gold, kind of a bit of a brush pen. It's quite thick. I thought maybe I might just go over these little black areas here with a bit of gold and see if that kind of lifts it all a bit, just for something different. Bit of shimmer and shine. You might want to add in some of the other areas, maybe some of the middle parts of the other flowers. Just balance out the colour a bit more. Then perhaps even if you've got, I thought I had a gold gel pen actually, because it might be nice to outline some of the areas in gold, which you can do to balance out the gold that you've got here. You could always put some gold around the edges here and outline all the flowers. And even on the grayscale page, you don't have to colour that in. If you wanted to, you could just outline that in the gold. That's something else that you can do. So I may even go ahead and do that, because obviously we're colouring mostly these pages, which are the main colouring pages, but there's nothing stopping you from colouring in the grayscale. You can have a beautiful double spread as well. So everyone, I hope you've enjoyed this week's colouring video. This one was a little bit different, I guess, with adding the gold, and we did mix up the colours quite a bit here. Now obviously if you wanted to, you could just keep the same colourways as you go through, but I thought I'd try something a little bit different. It's quite nice to have something a bit more subtle here and then mix the colours here and just try out some different blending and colour combos. All right everyone, so if you've got any questions, please add to the comments. Okay, there we go. So rather than colouring in the grayscale page, I thought it might be fun just to outline it with the gold. So I did find the gel pen. I put all the colours of the pencils I've used and all the materials, a link in the description. This is a Signa gel pen, so that was fun to outline. And then I have this one, which is more of a paint pen. And they're the two different gold pens. And then all the colours that I used today, I'll pop those all in there. So thanks again everyone. Really loved sharing this video with you. And if you do colour in and share on Instagram or social media, use the hashtag so I can find you. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks a lot.